In today's topic, we are going to learn about the principle of virtual work. So, first, we need to understand what is virtual work. Virtual work is the work done by a real force acting through a virtual displacement or a virtual force acting through a real displacement, which means the virtual work can be done by either a real force which is acting through a virtual displacement or a virtual force which is acting through a real displacement. But what is virtual displacement and virtual force? So let's understand the virtual displacement and virtual force. Virtual displacement is any displacement consistent with the constraint of the structure, that is, that satisfies the boundary conditions and support, which means any displacement that satisfies the boundary conditions is called virtual displacement. Virtual force is a system of force in equilibrium. Now let's move to our main topic, principle of virtual work. If a body is in equilibrium, the total virtual work of forces acting on the particle is zero for any virtual displacement. That is, if a body is in equilibrium, its total virtual work is equal to zero. Let's take an example. If a rigid body is in equilibrium, total virtual work of external forces acting on the body is zero for any virtual displacement of the body. Therefore, the principle of virtual advantages of principle of virtual work method. First, it is not essential to disassemble the systems to develop relationships between the active forces, which means relationships between the active forces can be developed without disassembling the systems. Second, this method is particularly helpful in identifying the position of equilibrium of a system under known loads. Therefore, by using this method, the position of the equilibrium can be found.